In this video, we'll show you how to remove and replace the inner fender well to a Jeep Liberty. With a 19mm socket, we're going to remove the tire. I'm going to remove the inner fender liner clips with a body tool. Move to the outer. Follow it right around. We're going to go to the back here. We have another one. You'll see the two prongs right there. That's holding that ABS wire on. So I'm just going to go on the back side of it with my tool and pry that off. Grab the fender skirt from the inside first, pull it away, and you'll watch it peel out from the actual fender. There's one more down here. Putting it back here in first. Following it all the way around. I'm just going to put some clips in to make it steady. Some push pins on the inner fender against that steel wall. Don't forget the push pin underneath. Now we're going to reconnect that ABS sensor connector. And the push pin goes in here. Now we can follow the outer line of the fender skirt, go all the way around. So I put my arm up in so I can hold that inner skirt so I can get that tab to lock in. There we go. Do the same with the last one here. And the last one was a push pin. Install the wheel. Reinstall the lug nuts. $19mm socket. We're going to snug those up in a crisscross pattern. Now we can lower it and torque it to factory spec. The factory wheel torque is 85 to 115 foot-pounds, and I'm going to go right to about 110. keeping with that crisscross pattern. Double check. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.